Hi everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out all the viral new launches, makeup, beauty, skincare, fragrances. We have a lot of fragrances to try today. I honestly want to thank you guys for always showing up and watching this video specifically. I've done so many parts of this very series. Times have changed, so nobody is really that interested in watching makeup videos, especially in long form. And the fact that you guys show up every time, the views of this video are always so high. It's honestly so rewarding. As a creator, yes, I am a little bit obsessed and attached to how many views a video gets, but specifically for this one, it hits home because I love trying makeup out with you guys, and you guys like it equally as much as I do, which is so nice to know. So having said that, let's get started with this very fun video. Okay, we're gonna start with skincare. So recently Nykaa पे एक Korean brand launch हुआ है, which is called Anua. Now Anua is a very popular Korean brand to begin with, but recently I feel like we've been seeing it a lot more because Kendall Jenner is their face. She's their brand ambassador. I honestly learned about this brand because Kendall Jenner became their face. Before this point, I had no idea about this brand. So I've picked up one of their most popular products. This is the 10% azelaic acid. I obviously read about the brand. It's a very minimalistic, plant-based, barrier-supportive sort of a brand. And specifically, azelaic acid is really great for pigmentation and texture. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा texture का issue है. Oh my god, I have so many comedones on my face. You guys know that I am very acne prone, तो मुझे acne तो होते ही रहता है. But recently मुझे white heads, black heads और comedones का इतना ज़्यादा issue हो गया है. ये serum बहुत लाइट वेट है, लिटरली पानी की जैसे. इट्स वेरी कॉमन टू हैव सीरम्स नाउ दैट आर ऑलमोस्ट वाटर लाइक, बट इवन दो दे आर वाटर लाइक, दे कैन बी स्टिकी. Like after they dry out, this one is not sticky whatsoever. So I actually have been using this product for a week now. Mainly मैं इसको रात को ही लगाती हूँ, कभी कभी सुबह भी लगा लेती हूँ. But I will say that within the last week, I have for sure seen a difference in the texture. Obviously, I'm not gonna say कि मेरे सारे bumps चले गए, मेरे सारे comedones चले गए, but I definitely see a difference. And जो मेरे comedones है वो almost soft हो गए and निकलने लग गए. Slash मैं खुद उनको pick करने लग गई हूँ, which obviously I will not recommend, but definitely there is a difference in the texture. I don't know so much pigmentation because honestly मेरा पूरा laser focus था on texture. So honestly so far so good, did not break me out. मेरा barrier भी बिल्कुल भी harm नहीं किया. My skin still feels heavy. Healthy is what I meant, not heavy. And also no breakouts. This new active is working really well on my skin. Obviously, if you want to try it, go for it, but do a patch test before you dive deep into it. We have a new lip balm to try. It's by Indie Wild. I think this has to be their most popular product. I believe their dewy lip treatment. They've launched it in so many different variants and shades. This is their newest one, which is called Ice Ice Baby. Very cool packaging. I think branding and packaging to unka forte hi hai. This is what the product looks like. It actually looks very simple. I was expecting from the way that it's been presented online, I almost thought that the tube would be iridescent. It is slightly iridescent, but only with these kinds of lights. It seems very simple. I was expecting more. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, so this is what it's looking like close up mein. It's kind of underwhelming. It looks like it's a transparent gloss. There's nothing much to it. So by the way, this is a plumping gloss. I have tried this before because I wanted to give it full potential, and it honestly doesn't do much. It gives you a very light cooling sensation, not even tingling. Fragrance bhi bahut subtle hai. Nothing overpowering, which I think is great if you're someone who doesn't like too much fragrance. I personally like a lot of fragrance, especially in my lip balms or lip glosses. In general, I do really like Indie Wild as a brand, and I do like their lip treatments. I think it's a pretty decent lip balm, and the different flavors that they do, those really amuse me. Their chai flavor is one of my favorites, especially and specifically the shade. I think it looks really good on my skin tone. I have tried it in one of my episodes before as well, but I just feel like I was expecting more. I think Indie Wild has done so much more that that this just feels a little bit underwhelming. The product on its own, the lip balm on its own is hydrating, like all of their other lip balms. By the way, if you don't know, they have vegan ghee in it, which makes it kind of stand out. It's a very unique ingredient. And in general also, it's like a clean brand. It's free of silicones, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, nanoparticles, and essential oils as well. Interesting. But yeah, to summarize, I feel like this was a very okay launch as compared to everything else that they've done in the past. Okay, moving on to foundation. Now, this is a very, very innovative launch in my opinion. So this is by Clarins. This is their double serum foundation. So half of it is their serum and then the other half is the foundation. And the very cool thing is the nozzle, okay? So you can adjust कि आपको कितना सीरम चाहिए, आपको कितना फाउंडेशन चाहिए. So you can really control if you want more of the skincare benefits and a very light tint or you want to go all out. ये बहुत innovative है, मुझे बहुत cool लगा ये. I'm gonna do like a 50-50 honestly. So both the serum and product has been dispensed. I'm gonna mix it up. Smells like their OG serum. By the way, इसका जो Clarins का serum है, जो बहुत ही like cult favorite है. My mom is obsessed with that serum and she's been using it for years and swears by it. I will be honest, I'm a little bit worried specifically about the serum, the oil in it. I hope it doesn't break me out. Also, the shade looks a little bit light. Let's see. Oh, it's actually not bad. Now that I'm blending it out, काफी अच्छे से blend हो गया. Almost. आई थिंक ये मेरा काफ़ी परफेक्ट शेड लग रहा है मुझे. अब कैमरा में कैसा लग रहा है मुझे नहीं पता, बट रियल लाइफ में तो एकदम परफेक्ट लग रहा है. द कवरेज इज प्रीटी गुड. आई वुड से इट्स लाइक अ मीडियम कवरेज, but definitely buildable. Okay, I'm super in your face because I want you to see the finish. So I'm not having a good skin day since like a week, okay? But this makes me feel very confident. The coverage is beautiful. It's not too heavy. I think it looks really nice and it feels comfortable. So I think it goes without saying the Clarins foundation is a thumbs up for sure. We're going to be trying a blush from Maybelline. Now, this is not like a new launch. It's been around for a couple of months, but I've never tried this out. You guys know I'm such a big advocate for Maybelline. Even when I'm not doing like a sponsored post or reel for them, I genuinely love the brand. Said it so many times. You guys know that already. So it's really weird that I haven't tried this blush. It's fair that I try it on camera. It's called the Cloudtopia. It's a lip and cheek mousse. I've gotten this very fiery red color, but of late I've been loving red blushes. You just need to trust the process. Oh, it is like a mousse. It's reminding me of that Maybelline. क्या प्रोडक्ट था यार वो मूज, एक फाउंडेशन होता था. मैं स्क्रीन पे पॉप कर दूंगी. आई एम श्योर इफ यू आर लाइक अराउंड माई एज, आई एम श्योर दैट यू सीन दैट प्रोडक्ट. शुड आई ब्लेंड इट विथ माई फिंगर्स? Yeah, okay. I think it blends really easily with your fingers. Tapping also actually is working rather than swiping, which is nice. बहुत easily blend हो गया. मैंने एक भी cut नहीं डाला है, as you can tell. Look at it. Look at the healthy glow. I told you red looks so nice. थोड़ा सा जो भी बचा है नाक पे भी लगा दूंगी मैं. I genuinely cannot believe that there was a time in my life where I would not use blush. Like if you go back to my older videos, I did not wear blush and obviously now I'm obsessed with blush. If you're someone who really enjoys wearing blush, other than like the usual colors, I will highly recommend of course trying out a red and also trying out a purple. I think those two shades are very underrated and they complement the Indian skin tone beautifully. Oh, you can use this on your lips also. Now let's try it. Ooh, I like this. It kind of now looks like the Melanade shade from their lifter gel, which I've been obsessed with. एकदम वैसा ही DIY shade बन गया ये तो. I think 100% thumbs up from my end for this product. It's affordable. There are a bunch of colors to try out as well, and it blended out in seconds, and that too with your bare hands. Love it. Let's quickly set everything in place with this powder from K-Beauty. Now, K-Beauty did have a powder years ago, which I was in love with. This, again, looks exactly the same, but from the inside, it's gotten like a glow up. This is what it looks like. I believe this is reformulated or at least repackaged exactly how I remember it. if not better. Gives such a nice soft matte look instantly. So here's the half and half with the powder and then without the powder. Obviously without the powder oily to lagega, but I want to show you like the almost like a filter like finish, soft matte you can say. I think it looks really nice. I'm going to be honest, when it comes to powders, as of now in my routine, I don't have any product from the drugstore that I truly enjoy. I absolutely love the Charlotte Tilbury powder and I love the Laura Mercier loose powder. Those are the two powders that I use on repeat, on loop. Now I can say with confidence that I am going to be adding this to my everyday routine for sure. In fact, even for like special occasions, like why not? The finish is beautiful. I wouldn't categorize K Beauty as a drugstore brand. It's more of a mastique brand, but yeah, definitely more affordable than the Charlotte Tilbury and Laura Mercier. It's somewhere in the middle. I genuinely am so happy that I came across this because this is a gem. Onto this little product from Love ETC. Now this is their quad eyeshadow palette. It comes in a few shades. This is the one that called out to me. So I have been on a hunt of an everyday eyeshadow palette. I own a lot of eyeshadow palettes which are great for everyday, but they've expired. And I've been using them for way more than I should. So this seems like a really good palette. Firstly, it has that brown shade which I can use to fill my brows. There's a kya bolte isko, transition shade. And then we have the shimmers. I'm not a big fan of the bronze shade, but this one looks right up my alley. Before I actually use the product, I want to comment on the packaging. It's very sleek, very easy to carry, but I feel like they should have stuck to the purple packaging that they had in their initial first round when they launched the product, because I feel like that made them stand out. Now going to like a white packaging, I feel like it kind of blends in with the crowd. I feel like the purple, they should have stuck to it and like made it their signature, their brand color. So that was some unsolicited advice, opinions from my end. मेरे लिए personally एक dark brown shade होना बहुत important है in my everyday palette, because I do like to fill in my brows with powder a lot of times. So this is a really good color. And other than that, this brown shade is so versatile. Like you can use it ever so slightly in the outer corner just to intensify the shade, or you can do like a nice smoky eye using the brown, which I think I'm going to do today. Okay, let's actually use the product on the eyes. I'm using the light brown shade basically all over my lid. Blend it out beautifully. Will be within seconds. Like I was done. I did not need to put too much effort. Okay, see this without cuts, okay? Literally within seconds, I've placed the product and now I'm just fanning it out. How many seconds did it take me? Maximum 30. Done. Let's see fallout कितना होता है. Usually जब मैं under eyes करती हूँ ना तब भी fallout होता ही है. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. That honestly is so interesting. This is amazing. So far so good, but I'm going to be using one more product in tandem with our Love ETC eyeshadow palette, which is this. So this is the iconic Lakme 9 to 5 Ultra Smooth Kohl Pencil. Again, if you're around my age, you know all about the OG iconic kajal, which Kareena Kapoor was the face of. And this is kind of like a newer version, and the packet also comes with a sharpener. Now, personally, I've never been a Lakme iconic person. I used to use the Maybelline Colossal. Either you were a Maybelline Colossal person or the Lakme Iconic. One swipe में हो गया है ये. मैं तो ज़बरदस्ती 2 बार गई. I'm gonna be taking the brown eyeshadow and smudging it out. Let me show you up close. That was one swipe. You can go in for a second one if you want to like intensify it or make it thicker. So when it comes to kajals, I personally like that a kajal should have a few minutes to set. Like it shouldn't set instantly, because I want to have the liberty to like turn it into like a smoky eye, like how I'm doing it today. So this one definitely gives you that room. Does not set instantly. Obviously, I would hope that it sets eventually. By the way, this is what the shimmers look like. The rose gold one I have already tried before and I love it. Final verdict, eyeshadow 100% thumbs up. Matte eyeshadows मैंने आज first time try किए and you saw how beautifully it worked. The kajal, I'll give it a thumbs up, especially with the festive season coming. I think this is a really good one to have. Next, we're going to be trying out this mascara, which is from Benefit. It's called the Bounce Bad Gal Mascara. And this, by the way, is in a brown shade, which is exciting. I'm through and through a mascara girl. So I'm gonna really analyze this product. मुझे थोड़ा सा डिटेल में जाने की आदत है when it comes to mascara. Eyes open up तो हो गई है instantly. First impression मेरा ये है कि it's a very lengthening and separating sort of a mascara. Clumping और volumizing नहीं है. It's also very buildable. Like I'm going on and on and on and it's getting better. बहुत ही ऐसे opening, like eye opening sort of a mascara है ये. Okay, this is the finished eye look. What do we think? I do really like the brown. Usually with brown mascaras, I'm very picky because दिखता ही नहीं है वो brown pigment. But इसमें तो भी दिख रहा है. I feel like this mascara is a more everyday vibe for me rather than like for like a glam look. To be very honest, this mascara from Benefit is expensive. If you want something similar to this, I feel like the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal is a really good one. Even the tubing mascara from Maybelline is so nice. There are so many affordable mascaras. I think in general, the drugstore has really cracked the code with cheaper alternatives, specifically for mascaras. So I feel like you can pass on this one. Also, by no means am I saying that I'm not open to buying an expensive mascara, because I just put on a coat of this one from Huda Beauty, which is obviously an expensive mascara, and it instantly like opened up my eyes. This is just one coat of this product right here. Similarly, there's one mascara from Smashbox, which I love. There's one by Lancome, which I love. On top of my head, these are expensive mascaras, but totally worth the money. For me personally, this one just did not make the cut. Also, this is a side note still related to mascara, is that I've realized over the years that one mascara that I love, you might not love, because amongst my friends only there are so many different mascaras that everyone uses, and there are certain mascaras that I do not like at all and they end up being some of their favorites. You know what I mean? So lashes सबके बहुत अलग होते हैं. Some people naturally have thick lashes, some have very thin sparse lashes, some go down. So I feel like the trial and error for a mascara, मैं कितने भी अपने reviews दे लूँ, शायद वो आपके लिए perfect mascara हो भी ना, even if it's my number one. So always bear that in mind कि mascara is something कि आपको खुद ही try करके test करना होगा. Okay, let's do lips now. So I actually have two different products from two different brands, and both of them are matte. We've had a really long run with gloss. I don't know if matte is coming back necessarily. Like, I don't think it's going to replace gloss, but I feel like it might compete with gloss. That's for sure. The first product that we're going to be trying is the Kylie Lip Kit. This is the most iconic makeup product. I feel like this is one for the books, basically. And I've never tried the Kylie Lip Kit so far. I've always wanted to. So let's try it out. Oh, and it's available on Nykaa, by the way. ये वाला मैंने Nykaa से नहीं लिया है, but है available Nykaa पे. I believe Kylie was the first one ever to think of the idea of putting a lip liner and a lipstick together, like shades that would work together so that you don't have to go find a separate lip liner shade, which is why I felt like it went so viral, and also the fact that it was Kylie's brand. Okay, this shade is not working for me. The shade that I went with was Autumn. I can definitely make it work. Like, I might have to mix a few shades and get it to what I want it to be. But right off the bat, lip liner, very smooth, nice. Lipstick, do you see that? Like, it's very like sticking. It's sticking together. It's sticky. It is pretty iconic nonetheless. I feel like if I am able to find like my perfect lip shade, I wouldn't really care about the formula. It's very lightweight, I will say that. But मैंने maybe बहुत जल्दी मेरे lips mum कर दिए. Like, I should have waited for it to dry and then like pressed my lips together, probably. The second lip product is a new launch by Huda Beauty. It's called their Liquid Matte Mousse Soft Blur Lip Cream. So I actually did attend their event and I already have tried the product out. The shade that I was given was Honey Nude, and I've already applied it on my lips with like 2 lip liners because I knew that this shade would not work on my skin tone on its own. It definitely has that blurring effect, and it is a soft matte. It's not like that uncomfortable matte, Very beautiful, very mousse-like on your lips. I would 100% like to find a shade that works for my skin tone on its own without a lip liner as well. It's not my number one favorite product from Huda Beauty. I have my favorites right here, which are like, I'm like die hard for those. This one's a nice launch, but nothing outstanding, to be very honest. We have one last makeup product. It's a very bougie one. It's from YSL. I love the packaging. It's like a cushioned sort of a material with their YSL logo. Love the gold. The shade is also very pretty. However, it has like a sheen which I don't know how I feel about, only because I have a lot of texture. मैंने बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ मैं ये वीडियो में. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है, जो स्पेक्स ऑफ ग्लिटर या शिमर होते हैं वो काइंड ऑफ एम्फसाइज करता है टेक्सचर को. बट हियर वी गो, लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट ऑन टॉप ऑफ द मेबलिन वाला ब्लश. इंस्टेंटली वो एक हाइलाइटर ग्लो दिया. That was literally just one dust. Yes, you guys can see it as well. That sheen, do like it. Like, it looks nice. However, this is just not something that I would use on its own. I would use it kind of like a topper, which is very extra. I know blush ke upar ek aur topper, but I honestly, in general also, I use a cream blush and then I'll top it off with powder. Not necessarily something that has a sheen. This is very new for me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to wear it bahar, like in sunlight, because I am very conscious about my skin and my texture, and I feel like this will kind of emphasize it. This is me in natural lighting. I think you can see the sheen for yourself, but it's not emphasizing texture, which I thought that it would. What do you think? Obviously बहुत ही expensive bougie blush है ये, but सुंदर तो है, I will say that. Okay, we're going to move on to the next section of today's video. We're going to be talking about a few hair care products. So the first one is a recent new launch. I've been seeing a lot of people like promoting it and using it. It's by Love Beauty and Planet, and it's this little wand. It's called the Get a Grip wand. It's alcohol-free frizz fix stick. So I have already used this, and I thought that it was very easy to use. The consistency of the product in here is almost like an aloe vera gel, but aloe vera gel doesn't have that hold. I personally have the biggest issue with like baby hair popping up. So I kind of used it to like sleek my front sections down. I used this gel about 2 hours ago, and I can see a few baby hairs sticking out. So I'm gonna reapply. So I don't think this is a product that will last you like an entire day. You might have to carry it with you, which I honestly don't really mind. So I'll tell you why. This gives my hair a beautiful sheen, a shine. My hair does not look oily and chipchipa. In fact, कभी-कभी wax भी use करते तो भी वो oily look आ सकता है. Whereas with this, it looks really nicely like put together almost. It's alcohol free, which is amazing. So it's not necessarily bad for your hair. It smells like their lavender wala jo unka range hai. It smells like that. I personally really like the fragrance. It's for 450 rupees, which I think is a good price point. I am honestly very happy with this product, and I do actually see myself using this. On the other side, the next hair care product is not cheap by any means. We have a product from K18. This is their viral hair shampoo. Dry shampoo, sorry, it's called the Air Wash. This is supposed to give you shampooing effect within seconds. So I have used this actually multiple times, and all you do is spray this on your roots and then you massage it into your hair for a couple of seconds. थोड़े से कभी कभी फॉल आउट्स हो जाते हैं वाइट कलर के, बट दैट्स ओके, इतना कुछ बिग डील नहीं है. But within seconds, it gives you so much volume. Definitely oiliness तो चले ही जाता है, but the volume is insane. One thing I will say that your hair the next day is still not oily, but थोड़े से rough feel होने लगते हैं, which is okay. You can brush it out. My hair naturally is very like silky and soft and straight, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे वो roughness feel होता है, but इतना big deal नहीं है. Honestly, whenever I'll use a dry shampoo, the next day I will wash my hair. I won't keep the product in for more than a day. मैंने बहुत सारे dry shampoos try किए because I'm an oily skin girl, oily scalp girl, and this is the best dry shampoo that I've ever used, hands down. It's insane. महंगा है, but it will do what it's promising you. We have two body care products. The first one is by Dove. So this is their body serum. It's their niacinamide, even tone, vitamin C, प्रो रेटिनॉल shea butter cream. मैं ऑफ लेट बॉडी लोशन किक पे हूँ. मैं रोज सुबह अलग अलग बॉडी लोशंस ट्राई करती हूँ. सो आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग दिस वन आउट एज वेल, बट आई विल शो यू व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. So this actually kind of reminds me of the Vaseline body serum that they have in terms of texture, like how easy it is to like blend it out. These are like my favorite kind of body lotions. Jahan pe you don't have to like keep going and rubbing. It's like gone in seconds. Should I use it here to give me like a glow? I don't think it'll give me a glow necessarily. I mean, at first it'll give you a glow, but I'm sure it's gonna get like absorbed into your skin. I like the fragrance. It's very like simple, very light, just like the actual formula. I don't know about it evening out my skin tone. I haven't been using it for like a month. I've used it for probably like 5 days at this point. I enjoy the process of applying it. Like the ease of use, I really like. I don't know if this would be a great product for the winter. It's a great product for the summer and the monsoon because bilkul bhi chip chip nahi hai. The size is also really big. Like the quantity that you get is good enough. It's for 650 rupees. Not bad honestly. मुझे तो अच्छा लगा ये product. But again मुझे ऐसे कुछ ground breaking नहीं लगा. But having said that, will I use this every single day? Yes, I definitely will. Repurchasing is a question for another day. I haven't spoken about any M-Caffeine product for a while. I remember using the M-Caffeine OG coffee scrub. That was amazing. Such a good scrub and it was iconic for that, like that time. But उसके बाद honestly मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा product एकदम intriguing या like it did not call out to me. But I saw this. It's called the Caramel Eclair Coffee Body Scrub from M-Caffeine. Let's see what it smells like. The name of the fragrance got me really excited. It looks like mehendi. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. It smells like the original coffee scrub. It does not smell caramelly. It does not smell like an eclair. It smells very, very similar to the OG scrub. That's kind of disappointing. I'm a huge fan of the Body Loving ka sugar scrub. All of their variants, they smell incredible. The consistency is perfect. Like it gives you the perfect exfoliation experience. This one was very okay. Okay, we're on to the last leg, which is fragrances. There have been so many fragrance launches. Today, I'm going to be talking about 4 fragrances. I think this one you guys have seen me using a lot and I have used quite a bit as well. This is the new Libre. It's in the Berry Crush variant and I took this with me on my trip. I've been wearing it in general also. I'll pop up the notes on the screen. If you've smelled the original Libre, this is very similar to that, but this is kind of like a more daytime version, in my opinion, of the Libre. I have gotten a lot of compliments. A lot as in 2 बार. मुझे 2 बार रोक के, एक बार न्यूयॉर्क में और एक बार वेगस में रोक के मुझे पूछा गया था कि what fragrance I'm wearing. And one of the girls, like, she complimented me and I was like, thank you. And then she was like, tell me, what are you wearing? So I had to like break it down to her. It's a new launch by YSL. And she's like, I love the Libre. This is like kind of different. So I think obviously apply करके body पे सबके body chemistry के हिसाब से थोड़ा अलग smell करता है. But I also personally really enjoy this. And I literally recently just got done with my original Libre. So I'm so glad that I got this one. I enjoyed thoroughly. It lasts a super long amount of time. Like it'll last you the entire day. I think it's a great product and a great fragrance. Another new launch. So you guys know my obsession for the Lancome's Idol. This is another variant of the original Idol. This is the Peach and Roses variant. Very summery, very fresh, very daytime. This one genuinely is the perfect summer fragrance. I know summer khatam ho gaya hai, but if you like that peachy freshness with like a little bit of floral. Honestly, zyada floral nahi hai. Dry down ke baad floral aata hai. But at first, it's just so peachy and so summery. I really enjoy this fragrance. If you were to ask me which one would I pick, the original or this one, I would say the original. Abhi bhi mujhe original hi zyada pasand hai. But ye bahut acha younger sibling hai, I would say, to that product. Like a funner, younger fragrance. It's really nice. Again, lasts a very long time. I think goes without saying. Then we have a completely different fragrance. This is by Kayali. It's called Bougie Kitty. जब ये launch हुआ, I was a little bit confused कि what does a Bougie Kitty smell like? I was so confused and I was like I have to try it out. मैं actually full size लेने गई थी but मुझे मिला ही नहीं full size, so I was like ठीक है मैं छोटा वाला ले लेती हूँ. Very iconic Kayali packaging and I also really like that they have minis and these minis are like good enough size. कितने ml के है ये? These are 10 ml which is a pretty good size and it fits perfectly in your bags. There's already a dupe of this one in the market, which is Vanilla Caramello. This smells like caramel on steroids. Like it is sweet, sickeningly sweet. I like that. If you're someone who's not into sweet fragrances, stay away from this one. You guys know I love vanilla, love caramel, love that gourmand fragrance. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. But I just felt like मुझे इतनी आदत है वनीला कैरामेलो यूज करने की that this one did not stand out to me personally. Yeah, it's just so similar to vanilla caramello, like insanely similar. But in general, अगर आपको नहीं पता, Kayali fragrances are probably the most long-lasting perfumes out there, at least on my body. The Vanilla 28 is my #1 favorite perfume. I think that's the best vanilla out there. मैंने बहुत बार बोला है, अगर आपको कभी भी टाइम मिलेगा Sephora में जाके, please smell the Vanilla 28. It's just something else. The very last fragrance is by Fay Beauty. So I really enjoy using the Fay Beauty ka highlighter. And they've launched 4 new fragrances. This is what the set looks like. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this. I think I can. So I was actually supposed to go on their trip to Thailand for the launch of this product and I could not make it. I was so heartbroken that I couldn't go. But I had some prior commitments on the exact same dates. So I couldn't go. But I missed the launch. But we can try out the fragrances. I've already tried them, obviously. But I can give you a little review. Let me tell you the 4 fragrances. The first one is Destination Wedding, My Boyfriend's Hoodie, Last Night in Thailand, Dessert in My Hotel Room. My favorite out of the 4 is My Boyfriend's Hoodie. It smells like a nice man. It kind of smells like Aditya, to be honest. Like it's that cologne, but it's not overpowering. It's comforting. It literally smells like your boyfriend's hoodie. That's what this smells like. It definitely is not a fragrance profile that I would be inclined towards. But when I smelled this, I was like, you know what, I can experiment with this one. The second one is Dessert in My Hotel Room. By the way, genius. Like I love these like unique ideas that they've come up with. Now this has vanilla and it has coconut. So obviously this smells sweet and dessert-like, but it also smells like an expensive hotel room. I think that combination they've been able to really nail. I think this one's the most unique one. Last Night in Thailand, this has mango, it has sticky rice, and it has pandan. So they've hit the notes. It's a very unique fragrance. Like I don't know if I would like reach out to it necessarily, only because it's so different to what I'm used to. But 10 on 10 points for the thought. Then we have Destination Wedding. This has jasmine. Like their primary note is jasmine. I'm not the biggest fan of jasmine. I'm going to be honest. I think you guys know that also. So in that case, this is my least favorite. But I think if you're someone who's into jasmine, you're going to have to smell it and see for yourself if you enjoy it or not. This entire set is for 1350 and this is kind of like a layering set. So you can mix and match, which I really love always. I think this is very, very affordable. Like for 4 fragrances and the uniqueness of the fragrances, I think this is worth trying. I completely forgot about this product. Now, this is by Rare Beauty and this is their fragrance layering balm in the variant Amber Vanilla. So essentially, this is like a balm, almost like a gel that you put on your pulse points or wherever you would apply perfume. And then you spray the fragrance on top. When I bought this product, I was like, oh, so cool, maza aega, try karte hain, kuch alag hai, because I'm all in for innovation. But in hindsight, now that I like think about it, this is basically thoda sa mehenga Vaseline with a fragrance added to it. Like for years, we've been told that like apply Vaseline and then put product on top of it for it to like stick to your skin. This is basically that. And it's expensive. It's not cheap. So I don't know, like I'm a little bit about this product. If I get it free with my fragrance, will I use it? Absolutely. I don't think I'll go out there and buy one more of these. Let's just say that. Okay, with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. We've tried a lot of new products. Some were hits, some were misses. I'm going to leave links of everything down below for you to go check out. Goes without saying, this video was not sponsored by any brand. I've bought 90% of these products with my own money. एक दो चीज PR में आया होगा. But regardless, my opinions are always true to what I'm feeling. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and subscribe to my other channel, Mridul and Aditya. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!